Hi everyone, welcome to Learn to Grow, Not to Know. Children, in the previous video we had learned about sources of lights and luminous and non-luminous objects. In this video we will see properties of light. Let's start. So the first property of light, how lights travel. Here one demonstration is given in the above picture. As you can see, holes are located at the straight line. The three holes lie in a straight line, so we can see the flame of this candle, right? But when the cardboard is shifted, can you see the light? Can you see the flame of this candle? No, we are not able to see the flame of this candle because here one obstacle is there, right? So you can say that light travels in a straight line. This is the first property of light. Light always travel in a straight line and in all direction. Okay, let's see the second property of light, that is reflection of light. As you can see, when light falls on an opaque object, then this opaque object reflect this light in our eyes or bounce back the light in our eyes so that we are able to see this opaque object. Okay, so this is the property of light, reflection of light. When light falls on an object, opaque object, this object will bounce back or reflect back this light in our eyes so that we can see the opaque object. This is the property of light. In this picture we can see that sunlight is falling on this pencil and pencil reflect back this light, sunlight, in the eye so that we can see the pencil. We are able to see the pencil. This is the property of light, reflection of light. Next property, refraction of light. Here as you can see, when light travels from one medium to another, that means when light travels from air to water or any other medium, this light bends over the boundary here at the edge. So light bends at the edge, at the boundary. This is the property of light, refraction of light. When light pass from one medium to another, from air to water, it will bend. It little bit bend. Light bends at the boundary. This is the property of light. See the pencil. Due to refraction of light, we are able to see pencil like this. Okay, so light travels from one medium, air to water, so it will bend, little bit bend. So this is known as refraction of light. As you can see here, glass rod is there, air to water, this is bend, little bit bend. So this is the refraction of light. Next property is dispersion of light. What is dispersion? The white light of the sun is actually made up of the 7 colors. Not only sun, any white light is made up of 7 colors. So visible light can be split into 7 colors, that is VIBGYOR. You know that: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red color. So visible light can be split into 7 colors. The formation of rainbow also takes place due to splitting of light. See, raindrops scatter sunlight into its 7 colors to form a rainbow. So this is known as dispersion of light. When light passes through the prism, it will disperse into 7 colors. Okay, VIBGYOR. This is the dispersion of light, property of light. See this. Okay, white light always it is made up of 7 colors which are represented as VIBGYOR. Speed of light. What is the speed of light? This is the next property of light. That is, the speed of light is 3 multiplied by 10⁸ meter per second. That means that is 2,99,792 kilometers per second. Can you imagine the speed of light? Here, from sun to earth, one astronomical unit, that is known as from sun to earth, it takes 499 seconds only for light to travel from the sun to the earth. A distance called 1 astronomical unit. This distance from sun to earth is known as 1 AU, that is 1 astronomical unit. it takes only 499 seconds, that means 8.3 minutes for light to travel from the sun to the earth. This is the speed of light. 3 multiplied by 10 is to 8 meter per second. Okay. Effects of materials on light. Can you see these 3 materials? First is transparent object, second translucent, and the last one is opaque object. Transparent object, light can pass completely through these objects, like transparent objects, glass or clear water, and air is also transparent object, right? So light can pass completely through these objects, transparent object. Second kind of object, those are translucent object, like frosted glass or colored glass, butter paper. These all are translucent object. Only some light can pass through these objects, so that objects seen through the translucent material appear blurred, right? So because some light can pass through these type of object, translucent object. The third type of objects are opaque object. Light cannot pass through these objects because objects that completely block light from passing through them are known as opaque object, right? So they will not allow light to pass through them because they block light completely, so that lights cannot pass through these type of object. We cannot see anything through an opaque object, like a wooden plank or table, chair, wall, steel plate, right? These all are examples of opaque objects. So this is the property of light. Light can completely pass through the transparent, some light can pass through the translucent, and no light can pass through the opaque object. This is the property of light. Next property is diffraction of light. What is diffraction of light? As you can see here, there is a slit or one opening, hole is there. So when light pass through this hole, it will diffract it in the different direction. So we can say that diffraction is defined as the spreading out of the wave as it passes through a small opening. So diffraction is the spreading of waves that happens when it passes through a narrow opening or when it passes around a small obstacle along its path. This is the property of light, diffraction of light. So these all are the properties of light. Light travels in a straight line, reflection of light or bounce back the light, refraction of the light, bending of the light at the boundary of the different medium, then diffraction of the light, dispersion of the light, speed of light, and effects of materials on light, like transparent, translucent, and opaque object. Okay, I hope this properties of light understood nicely, children. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Learn to grow, not to know.